have to look at today. And Telangana, extremely important this time around, because this is where the Congress will want a victory more desperately. I'm not saying that they're not going to try in other states, but here it really means a lot, because the BJP's foray into the south will be stymied. And number two, people are talking about second ATM from the south opening up for the Congress party. Anand.
You know, I think you've really put come to the nub of the issue, because if BRS loses Telangana, I think the analysts and everyone else would really have to go back to the drawing board and analyze the freebie culture in this country. Because no party in the history possibly of independent India has spent so much on welfare than BRS has, to the extent that Telangana is now in a debt of 6 lakh crores, which means almost 1.7 lakhs to every Telangana resident.
So if Congress comes to power, how much debt is going to increase?
Now that is the other question. I want to ask her, Tessin, one simple question. Tessin, no, 10 seconds.
But what is the debt of the country?
If Congress...
You first answer, what is the debt of the country?
We will have the debate. Let's all put our views forward. We'll debate in a bit.
Please,
yes.
1 second.
The Congress party has already got laddus in their head office, while BJP is just on puri halwa. So that's the menu today in the two head offices in Delhi.
I love how business like that guy was. He's like, "Aaj sirf puri halwa, laddu ke order nahi aaye hain."
But
he was like, "Please do not demand laddus from me."
So the laddus have come into the Congress headquarters. They are pretty confident. They've got their motichur laddus, whereas BJP has puri halwa.
लेकिन मध्य प्रदेश में तो सीधा राम लक्ष्मण सीता भी आ गए हैं. अब ये राम और रिलीजन और धर्म इन इलेक्शन कौन ला रहा है, तहसीन जी?
No. Are you trying to say that Kamal Nath ji is not a true Hindu? He is the most devout Hindu in this country, and I'm telling you, this election is about Kamal. I am telling you, I am saying this on record.
The problem with Congress in Madhya Pradesh is that Rahul asked people to vote for Kamal. वो कमलनाथ की जगह कमल पे वोट करने वाले हैं.
No, as a team member said on exit poll day, will it be Kamal, Kamalnath or Operation Kamal? Either way, Kamal to hoga hi. We're just getting news also that the Congress has geared up for all eventualities. A war room has been set up, legal team is on standby, and the state top brass is to man the PCC war room. This kind of preparation is very unlike, like Ashutosh ji, you were saying earlier, the Congress is learning the game right now.
No,
just started to learn.
I think they've learned it. They've got aggressive.
No, because if exit polls are predicting a tough and cliffhangers in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, then obviously the Congress has to be ready. Okay. And let's not forget, Congress has ruled this country for more than 50 years. So they also know our tricks. In between, they got very dull and lethargic, and that's why they paid the price in Goa and other places.
Shehzad Poonawala wants to come in. Congress is now getting back in the game. They had become lethargic in the middle. Shehzad Poonawala.
देखिए, बाकी और कुछ का तो नहीं पता, माने या ना माने, परंतु मोदी का असर इस प्रकार से प्रभावी है कि जो कल तक रोम रोम करते थे वो आज राम राम कर रहे हैं. जो राम को काल्पनिक मानते थे, आज वो राम को अपने दफ्तर में प्रभु श्री राम और प्रभु श्री हनुमान को वहाँ पे ला रहे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि सियासत में इतना बड़ा बदलाव अगर देखने मिल रहा है कांग्रेस दफ्तर के बाहर ही, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि पिछले 8-9 वर्षों में कितनी सियासत बदली है और कितना पानी बहा है.
But you shouldn't be happy with just that कि भाई हम राम ले आए कांग्रेस के दफ्तर में. You also want to win the elections. बस राममय करके ही पूरा माहौल मत छोड़ दीजिएगा. शहजाद पूनावाला.
देखिए, मैं तो कहता हूं कि अगर रावण भी राम का जप करने लगे तो हमें तो खुशी महसूस होती है.
Oh, okay, all right. This is